Coastal dune restoration is essential to maintaining the biodiversity and structural integrity of California's coastline. This process demands the expertise of restoration specialists who can guide the process from initial assessment to full ecological recovery. Habitat restoration is just one example of how Terracon's environmental experts across the country can help clients meet their sustainability and resiliency goals. Our Monterey office has helped restore more than 80 acres of dune and other habitat in the region since 2012. Meeting the needs of sensitive landscapes, native species, and regulatory frameworks demands a broad suite of environmental compliance services, and we're equipped to lead our clients through all of it. Attention to detail is essential to a successful restoration project, and our team manages every aspect to meet deadlines and keep projects on track. Our biologists and restoration specialists have in-depth expertise in native plant ecology, wildlife protection, and restoration techniques. Restoration projects are long-term commitments, sometimes spanning a decade or more. This means success is especially driven through sustained and productive partnerships with local, state, and federal agencies. Our strong working relationships keep us at the forefront of compliance requirements and help us anticipate and overcome potential challenges. These efforts demand a multi-dimensional strategy that addresses complex environmental challenges from planning through implementation. Our nationwide team of in-house professionals is equipped to deliver the full spectrum of services needed to meet those demands, whenever they arise. From beginning to end, we will lead you down the path to a successful, sustainable restoration project. Visit Terracon.com to learn more.